Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the VULCAN Report. This end of day report is for trading on Wednesday, February the 22nd, 2017. Well, front and center today was all about Janet Yellen, the Federal Reserve notes. Excuse me. The um, the notes came out, and it was just as I've been saying all along. They're not going to announce that they're going to raise interest rates. They're going to shock the system to test it to see what's going to happen. They're going to wait till March, and then right in the middle of the trading day, they're going to do what they do, without warning, without notice. Shock the market, test it, see what the market's resolve is. If the market can absorb it and get itself together, then they'll have their answer. If not, they'll have to come in, backstop it, and then hold a press conference to explain their actions. So I think that's what's going to happen. In other news, you see that knick-knack paddywhack is in trouble. Class action lawsuit being filed. And as a result, the stock continues to plummet. And it seems to be no end in sight as the market is hitting new lows. So you hit a new low and you're still falling and falling. This could be a penny stock before long. Very well so, could be. So we'll have to see what happens, but it's just not looking good for knick-knack paddywhack. The bullish argument is way out the window, and this thing is not finished dropping yet. Moving along to the mighty dollar bill. The Fed is continuing to prop this up. They're not going to let it fall, but so much, people. You're in a Kumo cloud here of death. Consolidation can be extended indefinitely, but it's going to 102. It's acting like it wants to go to 102. Once the dollar crosses 102, that should help push Bitcoin to a close above 1150. That's what Bitcoin needs to put an end to all the negative downdraft momentum. And then once that happens, that clears the way for Bitcoin to make a huge run to 1500. So that's where we are. The dollar going to 106, Bitcoin going to 1500. All right? It's just what I've been saying all along. This is what the market wants to do. Now, can things change? Of course, anything can happen. But just based on price trajectory, that's where we're headed. All right? Moving right along, taking a look at crude oil. Now, the equities are priced a little bit different. I like the way equity prices are because it's showing that crude oil is having a rough time up here at 55 and that it may fall back into the 40s. You come over here and look at ticker symbol DIG, and you can see it is moving quite the contrary to your crude oil. Isn't that interesting? All right. Equities are much more better priced than futures contracts. So let's look at that one more time. You just looked at ticker symbol DIG, and here's your crude oil futures. All right. So a story is being told somewhere. We just have to follow the price action, follow the money. All right, moving right along, let's take a look at gold right now. All right, gold is hanging in there. Gold is hanging in there right now. We're at 1238.20. It is hanging in there. It looks strong. We just got to get a nice solid close here at 1240 or better. If we can do it this week, this market is going to be on fire in the next weeks, coming weeks. Let's see here, looking at silver. Same thing. We just need it's holding steady, but we need a strong close above $18, and then this thing is running to 22. So the markets are positioning themselves and getting poised to move in a very powerful way. All right, now your junior miners are the only ones that are I mean, you can see it's struggling here. Needs to get back above the momentum line here. We can get a close above the momentum line, then this market will be good to go. But that's all we're missing here on this chart. So if they can do it this week, that'll be great. Really, I would like to see a close above 41. That'll be really strong, and that can help get us back up to the $44 and $45 handle. So that's what we're looking at this week, folks. The markets are positioning themselves, moving into alignment, and I think we're going to get some really good price action here, even coming off of the new highs here today for the Dow, currently at 20,762. All right, so remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Peace.